Hey Stacy and Jeff, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm shooting you all over this video about how you can improve your online presence. So taking a look at your website, you got a really nice header here. You got your drop-down menus, the different services you offer, free in-home consultation, which is awesome, your click-to-call, and then of course we offer military discount. That is amazing to help our service people. And then of course going down, you talk a little about what you do, the different services you offer and a little bit about them, as well as links to their pages, which is great. Talk a little bit about the installation and your experience and why you would offer like the best flooring style, which is great. Then of course, where you serve, Colorado Springs, almost going all the way up to Denver, which is great. I know Colorado is going to be your main area just because it's the biggest in your sphere. So you got a lot going on. You got a decent amount of content, I'm going to be honest. I'd say around 700 words. What Google is looking for is about 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage alone, and of course 5 to 750 words on your service pages, so that you can organically place keywords throughout your content. Now, what a keyword is a buyer intent word someone's putting into Google to find your specific service. But before we get deeper into that, let's take a look behind the scenes at your website. Now, the way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs. Two main things that we look at when we're going on Ahrefs is the UR rating, which is the strength of your website, and the DR rating, which is the trust of your website. Now, ideally, we want both of these numbers in between 30 and 40 with a ratio of 1 to 1. That's what we call the golden ratio. Now, the way we get that is with strong backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website or another referring domain back to your own website. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful because Wikipedia is a very spammy site. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be awesome because that is relevant to your service. Now, another big thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? So let's check it out. You're ranking for 52. So hardwood floor, Colorado Springs, wood floor finishing, floor installation. So you are trying to rank for some great keywords. As you can see, 350 people are searching a month for hardwood floor Colorado Springs, and you're getting, well, you're not really getting any traffic because you're on the third page. Now, you are starting to move up, but for a lot of your content, you're not. You are, as you can see, this is moving up really slowly, and a lot of these you're actually moving down. So let's take a look at what that top keyword is, which is flooring Colorado Springs. So this is the best keyword in your area. So first things first, you're going to have your Google guarantee. These are the people that went through the process in order to get that green check mark. Now, the way you stay up here is you keep answering the Google generated number to let Google know that it's actually worth it to keep you up here. Then, of course, you're going to have your GMB. This Google Map Pack is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these three people just because that's the easiest thing to do. Then, of course, you're going to have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. Now, your top competitor is the Floor Trader. So let's check them out. So their header, nice header. They got their logo, very basic. They have their different services. They have their drop downs. They have their click to call. Then they talk a little bit about what they do. I know they give their price right off the bat, but they are a flooring store, but they're still relevant because even if someone's calling their floor, they're looking for flooring and they can just subcontract it out. So they're still getting that traffic and getting that business. And then of course a little some reviews and a little bit about them. So they don't have a ton of content either throughout their homepage. They have a lot of back pages that have content, but as far as their homepage goes, not that powerful. But let's check behind the scenes once again and see why they're number one. So first things up, as you can see, their strength is 32 and their trust is 4.5. And they have 1,300 and about 60 different backlinks helping their website along, as well as they're ranking for over 600 keywords. So let's check them out. So first up, flooring Colorado Springs. First real position, as you saw, they're getting 247 people from that. Flooring stores Colorado Springs. Once again, just because you might not have a physical location, or if you do have a physical location, doesn't matter. These are just people looking for flooring. So, store or not, they're going to call you. And they're in the first real position, so they're getting 100, and they're getting 111 people to their site from that. Buyer intent people. Same thing. You keep going down the line, you can see, besides, of course, for this one, because these few are specific to them, but all the others, they're getting that traffic because they're ranking number 1 or in the top 3 for all of these buyer intent words. So if we're looking to overtake them and get that traffic for yourself, first things first, you got to get more backlinks. So they have 1,300, you want 1,500. The best part about this is you know where to get 1,300. Your competitor has them. So if it's working for them, it'll work for you. You can take the good ones from theirs, add them to your own, and that'll help boost your URDR rating, as well as you need more content throughout your site. 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage, 5 to 750 words on all of your service pages, so that you can organically place buyer intent keywords throughout your content, so that Google can start ranking you for more organic keywords. Put those both together, you should start seeing more people coming through your site and more calls through your website. Now, I hope you all found this helpful. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome.